Okay, hi everyone. I just want to show you today is just some pen tool basics. This is an old tool, but it's still just very, very important because it's a fundamental of Illustrator. Okay, shortcut is P. Now, okay, very simple. All you need to do is just do some clicking and you're making your path. Now, important, when you close, you need to go over one of these anchor points and you're going to see the circle at the bottom right of your icon. Okay, so that means you've created a full circle. Now, next to along here is your corner tool. So you can, if you want to convert these to curves, just click and drag, and yep, you can just turn them curves, very simple like that. Alright, and of course if you just want to go back to your angles, just tap and you should get back to your normal, your first shape. There you go. Alright, now if I use my direct select, I can select on one of these anchor points as long as they're all white at first. Okay, I can click on one, move it around. Okay, deselect, click and drag over two, then I can move two. Alright. I think that's about it for the start. Yep. And also, one last thing, if I click and hold, I can start to make some curves. Alright. And that's what we're going to try to practice doing now. So, first curve we're doing, I'm not sure how easy it is to see these on the screen, but you should be able to see them if you've got the file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag up. I probably should use my shift key to keep it all in line. Alright, go up, then click, shift, and go down. Alright, and I can just repeat that, take the finger off the shift button. Okay, put it down again, and it just becomes quite simple. Alright, now to get rid of my tool, I'm going to press Command, which gets me one of my selection tools, and just click off. Okay, next one. I'll do this one. Yep, I'm going to click and drag up. I'll keep my finger down, so Shift key down, and I'll do that again. Just click, Shift. So I'm only going up. If at the top one I was going up and down, here I'm just going up. Click, Shift, up. Now don't worry if it's not exactly to the guide I put in. Just try to get this the same shape. Click, Shift, up. All right. Now next one. All right. Do this one. Yep. Click. How do I do that? Yep. All right. For this one here. Yep. That's how I did it. It's just a little bit different. So I've clicked and dragged down, and now you'll notice if I move my cursor over the anchor point, you'll see that little, like an inverted V, if that's for the curve tool. So you just got to click to get rid of one of your handles, and then again shift click down. Alright, go along and just tap to delete that handle, and you're ready to keep going. Alright, great. Now, next one, okay, select, click, shift up. Alright, and then I'm going to go click, shift down, just like before, but this time I want to move this handle from the bottom up. So I'm going to press my Option key, my Alt Option, click. Again, you'll see the icon turn into the Curves tool. Now I can click my handle and drag it up, like so. There I go. So now I can click again, press Alt Option, click and drag up. Alright, and that's how we can do that one there. Alright. Shift, keep it in the proportion, up and up. Alright, and that's just going to leave us for the last one. We're just going to click Shift up, click Shift down. Alright, now I'm going to tap on my anchor point to get rid of the bottom handle, click, and just go along. Okay, finished. Alright, now I'm going to go back. I get the handle, sorry, the curve icon again, the inverted V, click, drag up. Alright, click down. Alright, now again I'll do that. Alright, I haven't got my finger down on the mouse, my hand is off the mouse. Yep, just going to go up over the anchor point. I'll see the icon change to that V, click, and alright, click, and go along. Sorry, was one ahead. Alright, click, alright, release, click, and drag up. Okay, and that's how you can do it. Alright, once again, one last time. Click, okay, just for the straight line. And again, notice when I go over the anchor point, you get that inverted V, click, drag up, and click, drag down. Okay, there you have it. That's just some basics of the pen tool.